First of all, we'll go to Google and search for Canva. We'll go to its official website, and on search bar, I will search for YouTube thumbnail. Here you can select your template or go to create blank YouTube thumbnail, and here you can see different options such as elements, upload, text, photo, audio, video, background, and using these tools you can create your own design. As you can see on upload, you can upload the media from the downloaded section or from your device, and in templates you can see the pre-made templates. For now I will go for a pre-made template, and I have selected this one, and I can customize this template according to my needs. So first of all, I need to change this image. So I have two options: either I will go to photos section, and from here I can search for the image, or the second option is to download the image from any website such as pexels.com. In pexels.com you can get stock images for free. As you can see, I have found the images, and simply I will download and upload them on Canva. And now I will adjust images. As you can see, now let me adjust the text. And in Canva you can easily increase or decrease the font size or change the style of font, and even you can change the color. You get a wide variety of customization. As you can see, my thumbnail is ready.